Wow, it's super bright. What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test new H11 LED. This is new style, 2022 style. This is H11 and we're gonna test it on the fog lights. Let's do it. Alright guys, so today we're gonna test new LEDs for the fog lights. These are the fog lights, and to remove the fog lights in the Honda Pilot we have to remove this plastic, grab the bulb, twist and remove it. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's do that. So this is the box, comes with the cable ties, zip ties, manual, and the bulbs. Look at this beautiful thing. Nice. These are made of aluminum, has a fan on the rear, so this is amazing. Alright, so these are H11, so let's install them on the Pilot. Okay, before you put the cover back, make sure that the bulb works. Okay, so before we install the other one, let's see the difference between the OEM bulb and the LED bulb. So let's turn it on. Okay, this is the LED. You can see way brighter. And look at the OEM. It's twice as bright as this one, and it's white. That's the amazing thing. Let me see if I can move the SUV a little bit more so we can close the door and you can see it darker at night. Okay, now here you can see the difference, yellow and white. One thing, this one has a fan, that's a good thing, but the only problem is that it makes a little bit of noise. I don't know, you can hear it. Okay, but when the engine is on, you won't be able to hear this noise. Only when you are closing the key and the car is still on, you're gonna hear a little bit. But after you turn it off, the car, it will turn off too. Okay, so let me show you the other one. Look at that. Yellow. And then the other one. Man. That is bright. It's very bright. Let's install the other one so we can see both both LEDs at night. Wow, look at this. These are bright. Let me show you. And even it's daylight. It's still daylight. They're bright. So let's wait a little bit till it gets dark to see how it looks at night. Alright? Okay, that's how it looks here in my garage. But the fog lights, they are only lighting up the road. their floor, and the low beams, they are more directly to the front. Okay, so it's different direction. The fog lights are facing down and the low beams are straight. Okay, you can see the difference of the color. These are the low beams, and from here down, those are the fog lights. You can see it there. They are super bright and look amazing. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Look at this. Beautiful. Amazing. See there? Very bright. Okay guys, so you can see there. Wow, it's super bright. So the bottom part is the fog lights. You can see it how bright they are. You can see it here. Amazing. They are super bright. Okay, you can see all the way over there. Okay. Amazing. So they look super cool and they're very bright. These are 6500K the lumens, I think, or the power for this H11. Okay, the link for this one is gonna be on the description of the video down below. You wanna get this. I see it there, and then on the front, all the road right there. You can see it. Cool. Okay guys, those are the H11 LEDs for the fog lights. You can use them on the fog lights or the headlights. Okay, they are amazing. They are super bright. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, you already saw the difference between the day or night, between the OEM bulbs and the LED bulbs. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.